Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be doing the rear brakes on my wife's 2016 BMW X1. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing the rear brakes on my wife's BMW X1. She did have a brake pad indicator light come on the dash, so I do need to replace the brake pad wear sensor as well as the rear brake pads. So I'll go ahead and get this up in the air and let's get started. Joel's here. He's got his scanner. He is connecting to the vehicle so he can put it into brake service mode. So thank you, Joel, for coming out and helping out with this, because I do not have a scan tool.
Should be a set. Turn wrenches every day. I don't really use that so much.
Oh.
Makes that entertaining.
I don't know what size wrench I need.
Oh, do you turn it off of that part?
I'm just pushing this in.
Oh.
Because typically, also, normally when you get these keyed pieces, you're going to be actually turning them in.
Or do you need to do anything else?
I don't need to do anything else. I don't know. We're gonna we have to go shopping after this. Oh, yeah.
Where are you going?
We need stuff for work for the week.
Oh.
No.
Alright, so then we got to do the passenger side, and the only difference here is on the passenger side it does have the brake pad sensor, so there's a wear sensor that we'll have to replace as well. So just pull this off. Pull the dust caps off.
because it is in service mode. So
Oh yeah, it's already starting to retract.
oh yeah. We'd be struggling to do this.
Yeah.
And yeah, could you use a pliers or something like that? Maybe, but there are plastic parts on the end,
Oh, yeah.
so you don't really want to do anything where you could damage something.
Right.
And there's probably better ways to do this,
Yeah. Yeah.
but
You can slide it. No. Slide it on the brake.
I just realized that. I was like, did we forget to put the spring on there? Yeah, we forgot to put the spring on there.
There you go.
Because I popped the spring off so we didn't destroy it.
Yeah.
yep, anti-rattle spring. Where's the other side?
Not over here.
I was hiding it.
He's hiding it.
He got hungry. No.
There it goes.
This loops around here. Tab faces out. That clicked.
Okay. And where's the? Yeah, that gets tucked back under there, right?
Yep, that gets stuck back to right there.
And there's one on that side too. Yeah.
Yep, there's a little spot there that it clips. Now I just need to bolt it on. And the one
There we go. Yep. And then this.
clip part done,
Yep.
and that's it.
There we go.
Yay!
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.